Sculpting tools, shaping your artistic skills. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of sculpting tools. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just curious about sculpting, understanding these tools is crucial. So, let's get started and explore what makes these tools so essential in the art of sculpting. Sculpting tools are instruments used by artists to shape, carve, and detail their sculptures. These tools come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose in the sculpting process. From carving out large chunks of material to adding intricate details, these tools are the artist's trusted companions in bringing their visions to life. 1. Chisels and hammers, used for carving hard materials like stone. 2. Rifflers, ideal for refining shapes and adding details. 3. Wire loop tools, perfect for shaping and smoothing clay. 4. Knives and scrapers, used for cutting and refining shapes. 5. Modeling tools, essential for adding fine details and textures. Sculpting tools are used on various materials, including clay, soft and malleable, perfect for beginners. Stone, durable and ideal for outdoor sculptures. Wood, offers a unique texture and warmth. Metal, used for modern and abstract sculptures. Proper care is essential for maintaining the effectiveness of sculpting tools. This includes regular cleaning, sharpening, and storing them in a dry place to prevent rust and wear. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of sculpting tools and their importance in the art world. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in bringing your artistic vision to life. Happy sculpting, and see you in the next video.